Chairs are everywhere, yet not all chairs are created equal, especially when it comes to earning potential. The right chair design can turn a simple piece of wood into a steady source of income. In today's market, buyers aren't just looking for something to sit on, they're searching for style, comfort, durability, and craftsmanship. That's where you come in. By combining smart design, quality materials, and efficient construction, you can create chairs that people not only want to buy but are eager to pay premium prices for. This narration explores how even simple wooden seating builds can become profitable products. From compact stools to elegant dining chairs, from rustic charm to modern minimalism, every chair has the potential to generate income, and the best part is, these projects can be scaled to match your capacity, skills, and creative vision. If you've ever dreamed of transforming woodworking from a hobby into a business, or if you're looking for your next profitable project, this guide will provide insight, inspiration, and practical tips to help your creations stand out in the marketplace. The market for chairs is strong because every home, office, cafe, and studio needs seating. People value furniture that combines form and function, and chairs are one of the few items that must deliver both. A well-made chair becomes a centerpiece of any room, a focal point that attracts buyers' attention, and a product that can earn you steady income with consistent demand. One of the first steps in creating profit-ready chairs is understanding design simplicity. Buyers gravitate toward chairs that are visually appealing without being overly complicated. Straightforward designs reduce production time, minimize material waste, and allow you to focus on quality craftsmanship. A simple wooden stool, for instance, can become a bestseller when the edges are smooth, the joints are secure, and the finish is flawless. Comfort is key. While aesthetics draw attention, a chair that isn't comfortable won't sell repeatedly. Paying attention to seat height, depth, backrest angle, and overall balance can elevate even a basic design into a high-demand product. Minor adjustments, like a gently curved seat or a supportive backrest, add significant value without requiring complex construction. Material choice is another critical factor. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut offer durability and visual appeal, making chairs more desirable. Softwoods such as pine are lightweight, easier to work with, and allow you to produce multiple units quickly. Many makers also incorporate reclaimed wood, which provides an eco-friendly story and often attracts buyers willing to pay more. Finishing techniques can dramatically enhance perceived value. Smooth sanding, high-quality stains, oils, or protective coatings transform raw wood into elegant furniture. Buyers are willing to pay extra for a polished, professional finish. Even small details like rounded edges, visible wood grain, and a clean assembly can differentiate your chairs from mass-produced alternatives. Customization is one of the most profitable strategies. Offering personalized options, like engraved names, unique stains, or adjustable features, allows buyers to feel a personal connection to your work. Custom pieces not only sell at higher prices but also increase customer loyalty. Many makers find that offering limited customization options generates repeat business and boosts overall revenue. Compact seating designs also provide strong opportunities for high turnover. Small stools, benches, and accent chairs require fewer materials, less space, and less time to build. This allows you to create multiple units quickly, sell them in batches, and maximize profit. Buyers appreciate small, versatile furniture that fits in apartments, studios, or offices, making these designs highly marketable. Multifunctional chairs are particularly appealing. Stools that double as side tables, benches with hidden storage, or foldable seating solutions provide convenience, versatility, and value. Buyers pay for functionality, and multifunctional designs often justify higher pricing. They also allow you to build collections where one purchase encourages additional sales. Trend awareness is essential. Modern buyers seek clean lines, minimalist frames, and neutral finishes. Rustic enthusiasts look for visible wood grain, distressed finishes, and farmhouse charm. By observing market trends and aligning your designs accordingly, you increase the likelihood of quick sales and repeat customers. Batch production enhances profitability. Once you finalize a design, producing multiple chairs simultaneously saves time, ensures consistency, and maximizes material use. Small, efficient workshops can produce several chairs in a single workday, allowing for higher inventory and faster revenue generation. Online marketing is another key factor in profit generation. High-quality photographs, lifestyle shots, and construction videos showcase your work and attract buyers worldwide. Chairs photograph beautifully due to their structure and lines, making them excellent products for e-commerce, social media, and marketplaces. When buyers see your craftsmanship and attention to detail, they're willing to pay premium prices. Even large chairs or specialty designs can command high income. Elegant dining chairs, statement accent chairs, and bespoke lounge seating can become high-ticket items. Customers value the time, skill, and uniqueness behind these products, allowing makers to charge more than for basic, mass-produced seating. Finally, every chair you produce contributes to your brand identity. Buyers who purchase a single chair may return for matching tables, benches, or additional seating. Each sale builds trust, increases recognition, and sets the stage for long-term, sustainable income. Chairs are not just furniture, they are income-generating investments in your craft, your brand, and your future. The beauty of profit-ready chair designs is that they blend simple construction with strong buyer appeal, turning every piece you craft into something both functional and marketable. When people shop for wooden seating, they look for comfort, durability, and a clean design that fits naturally into any home. That is exactly why easy-build chairs perform so well in local markets and online shops. They don't overwhelm you with complicated joinery, yet they deliver the timeless charm customers are willing to pay for. From basic dining chairs to minimalist lounge pieces, each build gives you the chance to shape wood into a product that feels handcrafted and personal. Buyers love pieces that show skill without being overly ornate, and these chair ideas are designed to meet that demand. Whether you are creating a slatted backrest, a curved seat, or a compact accent chair, every detail you choose adds character that increases both value and saleability. These simple yet attractive builds allow you to keep material costs low while selling each finished chair at a strong profit margin. The end result is a collection of seating options that customers love to purchase and that help your woodworking turn into reliable income. Creating chairs that sell is about more than woodworking. It's about understanding buyers, balancing design and comfort, and delivering quality that commands respect and revenue. From small stools to elegant dining chairs, every piece you build has the potential to generate income, enhance living spaces, and showcase your craftsmanship. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.